Welcome back, as we now attempt to explain procedures for correctly selecting the right lubricant. It must first be stressed that because there are so many different types of machines and so many applications for the use of lubricants that we cannot possibly discuss each and every one. There is, however, one very important rule that you must remember. If you don't know what lubricant to use, then find out. Using the wrong lubricant can cause very big problems. It can also cost lives. Some oil companies have produced lubrication charts to help us select the correct lubrication. This chart is for equipment with engines, like cars, trucks, tractors, and so on. The chart lists all that company's lubrication products by the trade name and by a general description of each product. By returning to, for example, commercial vehicles, most popular makes of engines and vehicle types are given, and the recommended lubricant for engines, gearbox, and rear axles are listed. Many industrial machines have specification plates, which often give the recommended lubricant type to be used. Another method is called a service program. Here, every piece of equipment used by the company has its own page, and all the lubrication types for each component are listed next to the item. Now, your company may use a different system, but whatever method is used, use it. If you are in any doubt as to what lubrication to use, and you do not have access to the information, then all you must do is ask your supervisor. All you must not do is guess. This brings us to the end of program number 1. In following programs, you will learn about lubrication safety, equipment, and lubricating methods.